Hi, my name is Steve, founder of itmakessenseblog.com, and today I want to take you through a review of Wealthy Affiliate. And by the end of this video, I want you to know if it's right for you. I will go through the good, the bad of this affiliate training program. So with that, let's get into it. Alright, since this is my first video on this channel, I thought it would be only appropriate to go through the course that got me started on this affiliate marketing journey. Unfortunately, prior to this course, I had spent thousands of dollars on courses, and some were good, some were really bad. I feel like I got taken on a couple, but then I read a review on this course. I didn't think much of it, so I came back, did some more research, and found another review, and for some reason that one resonated with me, so I said, why not? And so I signed up for the free trial, and I'm glad I did. So let me tell you a little bit about this course. This course is broken into, well, there's two different ways you can do this. You can do it through a premium membership, but what I recommend is doing what I did, and you can do a free trial. Now, right here on the screen, you can see the difference between the two. When you do the free trial, you actually get access to a lot of information. You get access to 10 different lessons through the certification, which is basically going to take you through what is affiliate marketing and how to get started with affiliate marketing, all the way up through creating a website. There's also another set of training lessons, which is if you wanted to become an affiliate of Wealthy Affiliate. So that takes you through basically the same 10 courses, but they're geared a little bit differently than the others, because these right here, these online entrepreneur certification lessons are for any niche, whereas this affiliate bootcamp training is if you want to actually promote Wealthy Affiliate. If you also get just the free membership, you get classrooms, which is actually training that are live training each week, that you get access to 2 of these, which to me, these classrooms are really good. They're put on by Jay, and he is one of their top trainers. So these are some of the other things you get access to, but most of it's unlocked if you decide to go premium. So what I did was I created just a basic new account, so you can see the difference between a free membership and a premium membership. So right now, let's go into my free membership. Okay, so this is the dashboard for a Wealthy Affiliate. So let's start with right over here. This is your personal coach. Right now, my personal coach is set to Kyle, and he's actually one of the founders of Wealthy Affiliate. That'll change once you get further into the course. It'll change to someone else, but that's who your coach is. This is where you are in the lessons. I will come back to these in a minute. This takes you through a video tour of this whole dashboard, which is what I'm doing with you now. Then over on the left side here, you can see this is your profile. You can add your picture. And then over here, it tells you your rank, how many posts you've done within Wealthy Affiliate. This is not posts you've written on your blog, but this is actually posts that people write in this Wealthy Affiliate program. You can see here's where the posts are. People are posting all the time. And I think at this moment, there's like over 100-some thousand members. So there's a lot of posts. You can see all these. This is the news feed over here. People writing in questions, this is the message center over here. Your rank, as you start to post and answer questions and become really involved in this community, your rank will start to go up. This is the upgrade to premium, since this is the basic membership. The dashboard is where we are right now. Let me click on training. This is where I was talking about earlier, your different training modules. So the affiliate bootcamp is if you want to go through the training to promote Wealthy Affiliate. The online certification is where you would go, and you can you could still promote Wealthy Affiliate, but this teaches you more how to promote anything. Pick your niche and then create a website, and you go from there. As you can see, as a new member, we only get access to this first module. So about 27 different videos, and then the Affiliate Bootcamp, same thing, where they have 30. So you get these all unlock once you become a premium member. Next, you go to website, and this is one of the actually cool features about Wealthy Affiliate, is that you actually get to create a website and they host it for you. And that's actually included in your monthly membership, which is great. So the monthly premium membership right now is $49 a month. And if you sign up within the first 7 days, that first month is $19 a month. So this is where you can build your website. And I'll tell you a little bit about this when we get into the premium section, because this actually is really cool feature of the premium part. But one of the things I want to say about when you are a free member is that your website is, I think it's like www.siterubex. Whatever your domain is. But when you become a premium member, that SiteRubex part goes away. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Also, a lot of people ask me is, if you were to leave Wealthy Affiliate, can you take your website with you? And the answer is yes, you can. You can take your website wherever you go. So you're not, you will lose that, you will lose the web hosting. So you will, obviously you won't be paying anymore, but you can then import it or export it somewhere else. So that's nice. These live events, this is what I was talking about earlier. These are all run by Jay. This is well worth the price of admission for the premium membership. You don't get access to this when you are a free member. I think you get access to 2 of these, but every week there is a new webinar done that goes over different strategies and techniques and tools and motivation, whatever Jay decides to do for that week. For instance, you can see this coming week is going to be all about automation strategies with Instagram. And other ones he's done is understanding engagement or creating a beautiful professional looking website. I've gotten so much value out of watching Jay. So this right here is one of my favorite aspects actually of Wealthy Affiliate. The next one on this tab is research. So here's where you get access to Wealthy Affiliate's keyword research tool, which is Jaxie. And this was created by the 2 founders of Wealthy Affiliate, Carson and Kyle. And when you are when you're on the free membership, you get to do a couple keyword research things, but you don't get access to all this other stuff, which I'll show you in a minute. Live chat. When you are a trial member, you get 7 days of unlimited chat, but once you become premium, it's unlimited. And this is where you can ask questions, message other members. So this is, think of this as almost like the Facebook, where you can interact with other members and write things and people respond back to you. Help Center. This is where you go to ask questions. Maybe there's a question that, let's say, tell me about integrating, ClickFunnels with Wealthy Affiliate. If you start typing in this, usually there's an article that it will pull up. Someone's already asked that question, then it'll tell you. If there's not, then it'll submit a ticket for you, in which site support will answer that for you. So that's a cool feature. That unlocks once you become a premium member. So that's really it. Oh, and these are just people that, they tell you who's new, who's just become a premium member. And that's really it that I want to talk about for the trial membership. Now let me log into my premium membership, and you can see the differences. So let's log out. Log back in. Okay, so now we're into the premium membership, and you can see everything is unlocked. So if I go back to training, you can see all of these different modules are unlocked. You can see here the different courses that you get access to, which there are a ton. You go back to here, you go into the website. I don't have a website here. But one of the features that I wanted to show you was this part here, which is if you have a website that you've built through Wealthy Affiliate, then you can go and you can ask for site comments. So for instance, if I write a blog post, I can ask for someone to go in and comment on my post, or I can get feedback on my site. Now, the way you do that is Wealthy Affiliate is all really based on the pay it forward concept. What I mean by that is up here in this area you have what are called like Wealthy Affiliate coins. So if I click on this, coins are how community credits is what they're called, and they're 50 cents per coin. So the way you earn these are by leaving site comments or by leaving feedback for sites. So for instance, if I wanted to go and get some coins, I can leave comments. So what I would do is click on leave some comments here. It would pull up whoever's asking for site comments, and then I can go in there and comment. Well, first I would read their post, read their article, and then I would offer really good comments. Now, that person would first want to go and read my comments to make sure that they are appropriate for that post. So some people, not in this community, but there could be some spammers. And so one of the great features is before they actually post those comments, they'll review it here, and then if they like it, then they will allow it to be submitted to their blog post. And once you do that, you earn 1 coin. Now, to get comments on yours, you actually have to spend 2 coins. So for every 2 comments you do, you get 1 comment for your website or your or 1 review on your website. So that is the Wealthy Affiliate pay it forward system, which is really cool. Live events we went through, research. Okay, so this is the Jaaxi keyword research tool. There are some really good features about this. Actually, it would probably be too long for this video. I'll probably do another one on all of the things that you can do with Jaaxi, but I'll just show you really quickly. So for instance, if I wanted to look at keto diet, this shows me all of the keywords that come up with keto diet. So the average, this shows you just how many search results per month, how much traffic you can reasonably expect. This QSR is basically the quality, how difficult would it be to rank for this this keyword. And since I'm not actually logged into Jaaxi right now, we're not actually seeing this, but like I said, I'll probably do another video on that. But this is something you also get access to. But one of the other cool features about this is this affiliate programs. So for instance, let's say I wanted to go back to keto diet, and I have ClickBank on here. It'll actually go out and look for different affiliate programs that are associated with this keyword. So you can see it's pulling up 2. So it's probably not pulling up all of them, because I know that ClickBank actually has a lot of keto diet related programs, but these are the 2 that it's pulling up right now. So let's just go back. Live chat we talked about. This is where we can chat with other members, submit questions, submit comments, and then this is the help center. You can see right now it's it's actually fully open to me, so because I am a premium member. So that is it. So some of the things I don't like about Wealthy Affiliate, one of the selling features about this is the fact that you can build your site and they will host your website on this. I found that their web hosting was good. It was good for when I first got started, but once I started to really pay attention to my Google site speed, I found that moving my website to Bluehost would actually increased it. So I don't have my website here anymore. I also found it to be a little buggy, but that, maybe that was just specific to me. I know a lot of people on here really like this feature and they use it. People that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars a year using Wealthy Affiliates and what it teaches you still swear by this. But for me, it wasn't one of my favorite features. The other thing that I didn't really like is there's people writing posts all the time. I probably get no less than 20 emails a day with people writing posts, because I get an email every time there's a post or an article written on this website. So one of the things I had to do and quickly learn how to do was manage my notifications from this website. So basically, who should use Wealthy Affiliate? Well, anyone that wants to write, who loves to write and who wants to create a blog, this course is perfect for you, because it takes you step by step how to create a website, how to get it up and running, how to create posts, how to create articles, how to, what affiliate pages, legal pages you need. It shows you everything about how to, start a blog. You also have to love to write, because you will be writing a lot. And so that is one of the things that you want to be aware of if you are going to sign up with Wealthy Affiliate. You will be creating a website. I also think that this program is perfect for anyone that loves the community style living or the training, because like I said, the training courses are good, but I've learned more from other members. I've learned more from the live training, the live events from Jay, than any of the other training modules. So that is another aspect that you have to really like about this. Now, this program isn't for anyone that wants to get rich quick. I just want to make that abundantly clear. You will not see any commissions for, I don't know how long, let's call it 3 to 6 months, because you will be using a website to create a long-term passive income. I also don't think that this course is for anyone that wants to create a YouTube channel. They talk maybe in 1 or 2 videos about YouTube, but nothing in depth, nothing in great deal. Basically, it's just as, they talk about YouTube as a traffic driver to your website or your blog. I also think that if you're more advanced and if you already have a blog up and running and you want to, take your affiliate marketing to the next level, then this program's probably not for you. It's really geared towards beginners. And although advanced, people that are more advanced can learn something, especially from the live training. It's really, like I said, geared towards the beginners. So I also recommend that if you are going to be a premium member, you also just join the affiliate program too, because it's a really good affiliate program. So that's the nuts and bolts of Wealthy Affiliate. If you want to learn more, I'm going to leave a link down below, on this video where I have a full review on my blog. And if you are thinking about joining, I would highly recommend going through the free trial first, and I'll leave a link down below for that. And with that, I hope you found this Wealthy Affiliate review good and helpful. And if you do, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I know this is my first video, but I will be creating others as well. So with that, I will see you next time.